Hi everyone! Today I'll be introducing the rare cheesecake flavor of Nerunerunerune, which was released for adults. Look at this package! The design already feels very grown up, doesn't it? And it even comes with blueberry sauce for the cheesecake flavor, so I'm really looking forward to it. On the back, the illustrations are written. Let's open it up right away. Wow! Here are 4 different packets of powder inside. And here's the familiar tray and spoon. First, let's remove this part. It becomes a little cup for scooping water. Alright, let's start making it. First, we open packet number 1. Oh! It already smells like real rare cheesecake. That's pretty amazing. Pour it into the tray. Then add 1 cup of water. Mix it well. As I stir, the cheesecake aroma spreads even more. Mix until the powder is gone. Nerunerunerune is always so much fun. I really love it. It's starting to get thick. I think it looks about right now. Next, add packet number 2. This is actually the most exciting part. Let's mix it. Wow, look at this. It's starting to expand. So mysterious. The more I mix, the fluffier it becomes. It looks creamy and really appetizing. It looks delicious. I can't wait to try it. Now, let's make the blueberry sauce. Cheesecake and tangy blueberries are a perfect match, right? It's exactly the kind of flavor combination adults love. The smell of real blueberries is filling the air. Add 1 cup of water. Wow! Look at that shine! Such a realistic blueberry sauce. The bright purple color gives it such a luxurious feel. Look closely, even the slight separation of water makes it look so realistic. This candy kit is seriously amazing. Finally, let's add the tart topping. This is what's inside. Looks like it will have a crunchy texture. It looks so good. It instantly becomes fancy. And it's done. Let's dig in right away. I've been waiting for this. いただきます。It will scoop some rare cheesecake and dip it in the blueberry sauce. Oh! Delicious! The sweet and sour combination is amazing. The taste and texture are so good. I could eat as many as I want. On this channel, I introduce many other Japanese DIY candy kits, so please check them out as well. And I'd be happy if you gave this video a like and subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye bye!